Well, I moved to Rapid City in January, and when I moved here I didn't really know anyone, and I kind of moved on a whim, and I didn't really have any friends or family in town, and I didn't have a job or anything like that. I just kind of moved out here. Well, before I came to Fountain Springs, my relationship with the Lord was basically one-sided. It was just, He was my master and I was His servant. Since coming here, I've learned a lot about being a son. And it was always something I had struggled with growing up because I really didn't have a father figure in my life. But with our Heavenly Father, I'd never really seen Him as a father figure to me, as an eternal Father who wanted me to grow and wanted me to develop into a better man. And God used that to put me right where I was supposed to be. At that moment, I knew that this was the church I was supposed to be at.